mana no the one la September 12 no je ero he to la bakal tamalo lo po isila hotel pa la awati del pa kalemane we tiko no awati kaba uwa phane no kaba umwe dile ne samoshi de thinya had to declare ke awati no the thing not have the awati no ke ero de ne no the thing not ke awati atapita ma tauta gele awati ne le phane kaba ma dile no kaba le dile no kaba uti le ke ne no awati ba de ka sa no powara sikho ne ka sa no la baba phal so shi community no we reading Bible every day. We don't read and we forget the God's command. We forget the God talent, important, so many things not in the Bible. When we read it, we will remember. Okay, we don't do nothing wrong. We should be take care of ourselves. Okay, this gospel is save your life. Sometimes you angry. Okay, sometimes you has problem or sometimes you have something important. Okay, I want you read for you the Deuteronomy chapter 5. Okay, in there because we understand about the the Exodus 20 is written there, but before Israel go to the promised land, Moses remind them about the 10 commandments that God gave them. Okay, Moses, sermons are Israel and it said, Israel and said, "Hear, O Israel." Now, Penero Somushe, ko Powera, ko Powera by Shiliput Park, David Adilo, David up. Here, Kana, O Israel, by Islam Putu, Kana, David Adino, the decrees and laws I declare in your here today, Pagatermala, Jakalo, Takalu, do Tasuta Sosit Pala, Katake a Topane Fila, Thukadu Kanada Tininya in the law, learn them and be sure to follow them. Maronitala, aware o, do Pagatermala, po, a key, Loti Losenaki. The Lord's our God made a covenant with us at Korala Harvey. Panera Pagatermala Harvey, Grandmana Panene, Kasayua, Mawera Taolo, you are Bagasa, Mawera Taolo, Le, Hebrew, Korala Hebrew, Little Nakura is one north with our father, there's to me without love, party power, that the Lord made this covenants, to me that love, party power, no masik, kota love, but with us, but with us, with all us who are alive, live here today, with all us, the poet killer, the parlor, a muera le The Lord spoke to your faith to faith out of the fire on the mountain, Kasaywa katutaro tu le medkokome, le pagdedmala, medkome le pagdedmala. Le mu heto le mu do le kasedoko mu no. At the time I stood between the Lord and you to declare to you the word of the Lord. When it sector penny is settled with that, through the ya busham, yes, settled through the kasaywa, through the kasaywa, a busham, you settle with that. do pagiter mala na thu kate katovara no na thu kate katovara la no thu pagiter ma thu kasa la aklu the pa no because you were afraid of the fire no tu wera ne tu pli wera mu u no le ta na khu ta ro ni te wera no and did not go up the mountain and he said no na tu te le su kasaba do pagiter mala na tu te wera ma no tu te wera la tu te le lu kasaba I am the Lord your God, no, Yami Kasa, no, Yami Tikasa, who brought you out of Egypt, no, Ye, Pagitama Yeso, Tulu Yatira, Tulu Koptupu, no, Tera, no, out of the land of slavery, no, away to the Tulu, Talo, Tukeku alo, no, Tera Dino, Tukeku lo, you shall have no other gods before me, no. Through the crow odo no kasa palo yemenya no before me. You shall not make for yourself an idol in the front of anything in heaven above or on the earth, no beneath or in the water below. No pagiter mala. When in the through the mawara, no through the bama you said through the mawara through no kasa tago no. Tago love pagitama pagitama munko a poko do hoko pagitama la tala a udo kelakasi the love tea apala no waters in the water no pagitama let tea apala no data no let them put out pakrapa in the below water below say let tea apala no Pay no you shall not bow down to them or worship them, no. The three the balo, buto bato or door, pagitama, tolog diclo away no. For I love Jehovah, no. The Lord your God, no, away usual, tikasa, no. I a jealous God, no. Me, me, kasala, pagitama, jealous. Tahira, no, but Tahira punish the children for the sin of the father to the third and fourth generation of those who hate me. No, but then Paula Tahira, no, but then wala ye senior or apu, no apu atakama, no apa, no third so to so, Luis so to so, Paula Tahira did paro. But so love to 1,000 generation, no? Pasana ke pa prarata ta kuile pa pagiter mara 1,000 le kato la no pagiter ma kalatirpa no kalatirpa of those who love me no pakanyolo eya no and keep my commandment no pala no pagiterma hika yatamalo tirpa no you shall not misuse the name of the Lord your God no pagiterma la nedaba no pagina tu era tu kama yami no tu kasa ami tu kasa tu juara tu kasa ami ba no tu kama misuse ya tu kama no for the Lord will not hold any guiltless who misuse his name, no? When it kasayua, pagkita naman kasayua, no? Kasayua, tapawara la, pakanyoti tapala, guiltless who misuse, no? Tu kamawera, no? Tu kamawera, do, when it mitala ami, when it kasayua tapawe, takamawa ni temiba, no? Tebra, no? Observe the seventh day by keeping it holy. Observed by 7 days. No, pagkita mala do not pick wala mun nuini tani hika ola sota soshi aninirki. Others, Lord your God has commanded you. No, when it mitala you are tikasa la no pagkita malu tuni lo no. Hello, 6 days you shall no you shall labor and do all your work no when it hunitini tu kaba matama do tala tu takitama kalekasilo no tu ba ma witama la tu ma la tu tama kalekasilo 6 day no hunitini no pagitena hunitini no but the 7th day is the Sabbath to the Lord your God no mun wini temini ne me tala munila tikasa no bahi lo kasa agoni lo is you shall not do any work no you shall not do any work sidan no muni wani titaba ma tama no mi ba neither you no na siko nor your son no when in na pukwa or daughters nor your miss and man service or miss service on your ox or donkey or any of your animals nor the aliens no within your gates alien within your gate no because mà muốn đi về na do na pukwa or na pumu do na ku pokwa na ku pomu do because mà na sapu kopo no claw mi no because mà la ropi mi no do sapu kopo mình nó animal nó ta phụ ta nó sapu kopo thì phải cái cái gì do qua la à because mà la temin na qua được lưu mi no over netrelo par kabamu pulo olo netrelo migi so that your miss 7 and no so that your miss 7 and mid no man service may rest na awane mitala nakuna poa no pokwaro nakuna poa pomu no agaba obi uta as you do no nakaba mawene no remember this no nambati no talkie no remember this nambati no talkie no you will slave in Egypt and thus the Lord your God brought you out of there with a mighty hand and outstretched arm no pagitana makasa you are nakasamo no aware pagitana mala learn a kevera no kule ko batu pu do yuan nakasa le hesona tudona le pagiten ma penny do pagiten ma agisu no uro ata suta kamo no pagiten ma la no pagiten ma ajuro asu no pagiten ma no awane ajuro asu no ajuro asu pane betinya le no Agisu abasu ne lo therefore the Lord your God has commanded you to no observe the Sabbath day no awani little khuta lo ne yua nakasa la pagitena mala hil malona no pagitena ma command no to telona la observe no observe pagitena mala nama dukana weda nama dugana wada mun nuni tini lo mun nuni tini no honor your father and your mother no when in nama dugana nama yo namo lo napa no and the Lord your God have commanded you no when you are nakasala amalona no so that you may live long and thus it may go well no when you know neka umutoto or didunita pagitena mala no go mutoto nakalera la tamutaku wills you in the land the Lord your God if given you learn pagitena mala talotakle yuana kasahilona ni no you shall not murder sidane netabalo no matita ba no you shall not commit adultery nabalo ebodaba you shall not steal nabalo hudaba you shall not give false testimony against your neighbor no when in the balo he ta takil bigel bla la polen khe no nabalo thoda polen khe ba no you shall not convince your neighbor wife no when in the balo takwi na polen khe ma ba you shall not set your desires on your neighbor brother house no tu lo ta qui siko no tu lo mbalo sa lo pagitena mala neighbor house no na pagitena mala pala na kha hi lam talota kle do pagin le na kha aku apwa no tera do miss service do pagitena mala la po mu no wane na ku pa po kwa do pa ku pa po mu thir pha atama no da his horse or donkeys or anything that belong to your neighbor when it bakhala bakhala no learn the neighbor no the neighbor sidane bakhala na temu tako no na pa olo na kha atapo tali klo pana khala kesi no bakhala ama mi no begitu ma aku apa mi khala kesi the atalata clan and the balo no? There are the command, the laws proclaimed in the law wise to your whole assembly there on the mountain from out of the fire, no? Out of the fire. Let them know kasa you are proclaiming, no? Away ni meta la tamalula you are katuta do the takalu la pagina whole assembly sidane, no? Vegetarian mala ta upu no tu ta upu kala kasi no amenya no la kasala mu o no la mu hetola mu tom no the cloud and the deep darkness when in love vegetarian mala no ta do vegetarian mala no taki yobu and he adds nothing more. What a chin out of Tanormina, no, then he rose then on the two stone, no, a work where I love kibi and low, no, two stone tablets and give them to me, no, where he loyam, no, once you heard the voice out of darkness, no, well, do not who would attack a lule had told attack why the mountain with a blaze with fire. When it metala a blaze fire, Satan metamila, Pogitera mala, cake a floor, moo over that, no? When a cake a floor over that, no? Like I said, all the leader man, no? All the leader man of your tribe and your elders come to me, no? Leaders, Satan, Tuko Tuna, do, no? Pogitera mala. Adu assure no attack pakalu no tu pakalu ter pharo tu khotuna ter pharo tu no putena mala no have a su yo no devra su have a su yo you serve the Lord our God have so as the his glory and his mercy and we have heard his voice from the fire when not glory sitane pagitena mana la kapo plato wera no majesty ne wane ta lo mu no o la ka khu kanyo no ta su ta ka mo no ta la ta ka po no o we pen siko lo no patinya and we have heard this voice from the fire when who wera la takalui hevesu today we have seen that a man can live even if God speak with him. Away ni patilo paganyo umura la kasayo katuta la awatin lo no. Why should we die no? But now sector ke why should we die no? Katuera la ke mo no me ba manilo pabati le no. The great fire will consume us now. When it consume, no, when it the great fire, maybe that mu ulu adu amu, no, pagkita mana ako okupwa, no, ko okupwa ba puma, no, and we will die if we heard the voice of the Lord, no, our God, no, pagkati ba pula pagkita mana, when it pana who you are pakasa no you are kasa no you are pakasa and any longer no but umuba yi ba mle pemena hu you are kasa kali ne but umuba ba no tebra dine For thus mortal man has ever heard the voice of the living God speak out of fire, no? When in for thus mortal sidan, no? Bakara Paka the palm, no? When it made what they mean now who, no? Living God speak, out of the fire. When a Kasala Amue, no Katuda le, no Takatuda le mu akla, no? Hetala mu akla. As we have when it put up with us and survives survives dan did the pakamudi pakudi do pakamudi one law go near and listen to all that the Lord our God say lemo do kana pakiten mala yua pakasa tewe kele kasi them tell us whatever the Lord our God tell you but take it for tell you are pakasa tewe na kele kasi but take it for we will listen and obey pakadukana do pakamutwe matwe pakamatwe obey the Lord hears the Lord hears you the ones you spoke to me kasa you are now who and the Lord said to me kasa you are teba I heard here why these people said to you yana who are pakanyo katudaro na nilo pakanyo tit pakatudano patit pakatudano na nilo everything they says was good what it ever color mitari that's their hearts would be inclined or worthy atu asati pani abujena mala kamera tala kamera tala ba'sa to fear me clear but yatala with it clear and keep all my command always commands always with it he coverage tamalo tombo buiko so that it might go well later no kora aware camera tala kaleta taba podi with them the awati and they are cheering forever the awati apoli lost so lot go let tell them to return to their tents when a day with the Kirakisu to Debu but you stay here with me so that I may give you all the command Donane no bauti do yapei ditu do yakihina tamalo kalakase decrease and Lord, you are to teach them to follow in the land I and give them to possess let them put out a pain nagaba kala galu let tatuta no tulu on ma kala on tatuta it para tulu or do di to a wedding capovera leta no hilo or do pagitena mala process is done a pura now what take a pura no get time to process now what the not yet hit with it or with it pura no so be careful to do what the Lord your God has commanded you I want it to be careful sit down and think about to that buffalo to that to ba mara tete baba le kasa you are hilo to tamalo you are to sa hilo to tamalo do not turn aside to the right or left tu ba lo kakapa tu tala su semegi su temegi walk in all the way that the Lord's pakitan mala tikapa lera la kleo kaputir pala tikasa your God has command pakitan mala you are tikasa malo tu so that you may live and the prosper and prolong your days in the land that you will possess pakitan mala awen tu ko mumba pakitan mala ubo unyo pakitan mala la tu ka le da la tu ko ubara ta le to 了没你问你了，打老了不给了嘛了，打老了蹲你吧，喏。thứ cặp bơ bạ ta loวันนี้เนาะแล้วตอนนั้นคุณจะรอตอนนั้นก็สายยอมมาเลยนะพออิสระพูดว่าจะเคลื่อนว่าที่เล่นว่าจะบล็อกดอลเลอร์ก็เชื่อเลยนี่จะบล็อกเนาะเอาไว้ในนี้สมมติดูที่น้องที่เอาไว้ที่ดีตัวเราเอาไว้ที่เกลือได้เลยยัวตามมาเลยปุ่นเนาะ this is a you know Moses okay remain to Israel when they will go to the promised land and they will the process and take care of themselves and remember that God's command and this means the God's wanted they always remembering. Thank you so much for the watching, my brother and sister. You will get something from the Bible. You will get something important for to your life. Okay, God bless you. God will help you always. God will remain you all the time. Okay, God bless you. God bless you all, your family, your household. Thank you so much. Bye bye.